Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the new update of WhatsApp that is the link in the profile. First things first, you have to make sure that you have your WhatsApp updated to the latest version. Once you have confirmed that you have your WhatsApp is updated, then simply open the WhatsApp. Now here, if anyone sees your WhatsApp profile, they will get to see your Instagram username. Once clicked, they will be redirected to your Instagram profile. Now this is a very useful update for WhatsApp users. Now let's see how can we enable this new feature and then how can we put our Instagram username. First, you have to click on the three dots, then click on the setting. First, you have to check your privacy setting once clicked. You have to ensure that your link setting is on the Everyone button. Now here you have completed your first step. Next, head to the settings again, and here you have to tap on your name. You will see the link feature in the last option. Simply click on it and then click on the Instagram option. Now here, simply put your Instagram username here and ta-da, you are good to go away. So guys, that is enough for today. Hope my video helped you. See you in the next one.